This is a bounce off. This is how you open it. Alright, when you do this, what you want to do, you start off with it like this. You got the lock, and two pieces. You disengage the lock, and you hold the safe handle. The one of the blade, you got the sharp end and you got the blunt end. The safe handle is the handle that covers the blunt end, so you don't cut yourself while you're flicking your butterfly knife around. When you open your butterfly knife, you drop your blade guard, I guess you want to call it that, and then you twist it up like so you can hold it like this, and you flick it back. And so, when you close, you do the same thing. You want to drop it, up and over, and then back. What you do not want to do is drop the knife or use the wrong part of your blade handle piece. Always want to use the safe handle. If you were to do this, with the unsafe part of it, you slice your finger open, that wouldn't be good. Alright, so this is how it looks. You disengage the handle. And I'm still working on this one, but this is a two-spin. Basically spin it once, spin it twice, and then open. Close, spin it once, spin it twice, and shut. Still trying to get it down. I'm doing better though. But yeah, that's it.